Hi everybody, thank you so much for being here with me today on this nice warm day. Maudie here with MU Can Garden. I just want to do a quick video updating you guys on what the planter containers look like a few months back when we planted our petunias and our marigolds. But before we get into that video, please be sure you hit the like and subscribe button. All right, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick check on this. If you remember, we had planted these, oh gosh, I think it was like Mother's Day weekend we did this. And we did the marigolds, and you know the funny thing is, you can't hardly see the marigolds, but they're in there. And then we planted the Hybridia petunia mix here. And the fun thing about this is, you know, so many varieties of colors, you never know what you're gonna get. So it was quite a surprise. Two things that I'm liking and one thing I'm not liking. They really flourish. They have been flourishing wonderfully. But I just was kind of hoping that they would be a little bit more like the wave petunia, where it's more so cascading down versus going so high up. But that's okay. This is a new variety for me to try. I usually always do the wave petunias, but I just love how beautiful they're coming out. Look at these ones here. They look like little candy canes with these, you know, multicolors on, and they may look a little on the wilty side, and I think it's just because of the massive heat that's going on for them. I'm totally loving the warmth here today. But just look at how massive this is filled out. If you remember, we planted these and there looked so much space in between. I said, just wait, they'll fill out, and they certainly have. On the other one, so this has a lot of purples in it. The other one has a lot of white here, if you want to come take a peek at that one. So a lot of buds getting ready to open here. I've got some down here, the light purple, a lot of the white ones here. So things are just coming along really, really lovely. And like I said, I wanted to give you a quick update on that. Because again, not just about the vegetables, but flowers too, because we want things to look beautiful in the garden and get the pollinators in to pollinate everything. That's it for today's video. Just like I said, real quick update on everything. Again, please hit that like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.